Welcome, sports fans. Welcome back to another very special episode. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, all the pleasantries. I'm your host, Jomar,
I'm Rush.
and this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best and most riveting sports topics, discussions, and debates on the internet.
You don't think it's a little bit late for telling people them Happy New Year and them something?
So the
At
year,
this point, even I tell me what I want it, Any guy come to me and tell him about Happy New Year, keep that, That is like my birthday gone, and 2 months later you come, happy belated birthday. Bro, get out of here. So the people them don't want that. May I tell you the truth. On behalf of our subscribers right now, them don't want that. Anyways, people, before we get into the video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to This or That Sports TV. And one more thing first, though.
share the video to at least 10 people to ensure to get us 6 subscribers. Because if each and every one of you guys can manage to do that, do you know how many subscribers that get us by the end of the day, people?
One whole heap. So watching on the people, this is Keeping Up with the Reggae Boys, and this is our show. So we talk.
I like something different about the left hand today.
Bro, people know something, right? Everybody know. If you follow up on the game, know. I'm a
Look
married
like,
man.
look like it's something different from the left hand.
Bro, you see the bachelor life?
Yeah.
I really for me, bro. You know what I say? And from was a little jubby still.
Yeah.
Me I look for my mother, me I make she know say, you know, so make a woman an honest woman.
So you made a woman an honest woman.
You have to know that, G.
Now see, I flash the left hand. I never really have some jewelry like what you have on it right now.
Yeah, so with that like people tell me congrats and thing. Well, no, I always come with my personal life on this YouTube thing.
That is a big deal, bro.
That's a big deal. I'm not add more. Big up my wife anyway, she there in the world. I think
Mrs. Smith.
that is it. But watching on the people.
Big up Mrs. Smith every time.
That is it. So this is Keeping Up with the Reggae Boys, our show where we talk all things Reggae Boys. And we're there to talk some things because it's been a minute. You know what our reason. And we have a couple things to talk about. So people, I hope you enjoy the show. Let's get right into it. Bro, Liam Bailey mash up England.
Captain Jamaica.
But for real though, it's about time. It's about time. Like, this is the potential, and even more. Some people expect more than this from Liam Bailey. In terms of we know he's a top talent. We know say wicked baller. We know that.
Here go the contract negotiations are up now. They say I get a fat $2 bills a week.
Bro, that's great. That's great. That great for him. That great for him and for Jamaica. Because if it me and pre bro, Aston Villa will be a promotional content with Liam Bailey. Like Liam Bailey right now is the man at Aston Villa. Obviously you have the Ali Watkins, you have Bebo and them man. They were just staples in the club. But Liam Bailey are making way into being Aston Villa's player of the season.
Yeah. And he's one of the stars at Villa for sure.
And he's a Jamaican.
And then also him have the star characteristic.
No, Liam Bailey is a star.
Like him have the swag.
Him born to be a star.
You get me? I say so. Yeah, he's a showman. You get me? I say him in a fashion. Can you talk to people all over the Premier League, like fashion and players in the Premier League? And Liam Bailey come up when I talk about that. You get me? I say him have the drip and him have the tattoos and all of them things. You get me? I say drive nice cars, so on and so forth. It's easy to market, and Aston Villa definitely are using that to their advantage.
For sure.
And we see it. In addition to his great performances this season, I'm sure myself on the whole heap of jersey.
What do you think cause that?
Much.
What do you think cause it? Because this is his third season. First season him come, Dean Smith get fired right up the bat. Dean Smith bring him in.
Yeah.
Gerrard come in, never quite hit the ground running, playing in the Goalkeeper for Jamaica in the summer, pick up an injury, went back injury prone for 2 years, bro. They barely couldn't stay on the field for 10 games straight. They get me and say, and then in the third year, like him find him shooting boots, like him find some form, and he's delivering, and you know what the Aston Villa fans expected from him. Is it Unai Emery? Is it just Liam Bailey finding something different? Is it mentally he's in a better space? Is he just old and know to play football better? What is it? What caused this?
Speaking to his manager, him said, Liam Bailey, obviously took it to heart the way how his Aston Villa career started, and kind of went back to basics. Became more humble, became more committed to his craft. And if what Craig Butler is saying is true, then it's a good explanation as to why his performances have gotten so much better. So in recent times, him definitely look like a man on a mission. Him look more confident. Liam Bailey technically he has always looked good when playing for Aston Villa or when playing.
Even when the goals now come, because even this season and the back in the last season, he was playing some good football. Yeah, the goals never always come. Right now, as I say, him left on goal scoring form. But goal scoring form not always mean say you're playing good one. And when you're playing good doesn't always mean that you're on goal scoring form. So Liam Bailey has been playing good for Aston Villa for the better part of a year. But this season something different. And as I said, Craig Butler said I take it personal that it never started the way I wanted to start. And the truth is, bro, and me I tell you, I was a Liam Bailey. I wasn't touching Liam Bailey. I wasn't a Liam Bailey critic too deep. Me I say, but then for the last, I was a defender of Liam Bailey, but for the last year or so, I start questioning Liam Bailey. In commitment, one is not something I'm a question.
Yeah.
But I started to question, is Liam Bailey as good as I thought he was? You get me? I say, I start questioning myself. Is he the golden boy that we saw in 2016 type of thing? You get me? I say, is he going to build on that? Is he the player that he was at Leverkusen, or was the league just a farmers league? I start questioning. I start ask myself some questions about this player where I don't normally ask. And that was just caused by one, seeing him a lot in the black, green and gold. They get me, I say more than me didn't see him. I never used to see him like that at all.
Yeah.
You know, so seeing that and seeing
And
what
really,
me
I
would
really
call,
and truly, national team football is football that we pay the most attention to.
yeah,
Even more so than our own club teams. Like when Jamaica play for the 2 times that they play a month, we scrutinize that football and everything around it very, very heavily. So that could be why but Liam Bailey, him never did that play well. When him come play with Jamaica. So even if he play okay in England, come Jamaica him not playing well. So the not playing well in Jamaica overshadowed the relatively okay performances that he was giving in England.
yeah, and I said, maybe I disagree, maybe some people disagree, maybe you guys watching will disagree. Tell me in the comment section. But I am going to say what Liam Bailey is doing for Aston Villa right now is similar to what we're asking him to do.
Yeah.
It's not very different. I remember last year we talked to Craig Butler, and I brought up the fact that some people are not pleased. I am not pleased with what Liam Bailey is putting out for the country. Again, not the commitment. Liam Bailey works hard whenever I play for Jamaica. Whenever I play for Aston Villa, Liam Bailey work hard. And him come.
With Nichols, with Rapport.
Liam Bailey play injured, not get no play, even though money is not the issue. Yeah. Liam Bailey is committed to playing for Jamaica. That is not the issue. But in terms of output, obviously everything now will work overnight. But we're expecting to see some brilliance.
Yeah.
You are a brilliant player. You are a special player. You're the player we call the best player on the team. You are who we try to give the moniker Mr. Jamaica, Captain Jamaica. He never stick. If your nickname stick it up, you have to play good. Yeah. You get me? I say so. I want to see some of this similar. He's playing in a similar position. One, all right, maybe in Jamaica have a little bit more free room, where if you pop up on the left side of the field, nobody never cuss because we expect it to be all over the place. Sometimes players are foul, but even faster than sometimes players are foul.
The fact that he has more freedom, that should even elevate his game more.
You think so? Or maybe if we give him a more disciplined role and we say, yo, stay up on the right wing and cause havoc. Would we then say a better Liam Bailey? Rather than say, yo.
Do you think that's the role where them get to the Margaret, stay up on the left and cause havoc?
Yeah, bro.
Or is it that the Margaret just know that's his strength and just play to it? You think Halgrims really look on the Margaret and say, yo, Dimmy, stay up on the left? Or Halgrims look out and say, yo, Dimmy, go on the score goals for you. Go on the make chances for you.
Yeah, but is that the...
Are you thinking
he's giving
deliberately look on Leon and say, we need it for come middle, we need it for go?
Me think Liam Bailey get more of a free room than the Margaret. No, I'm not going to say him look on the Margaret and say, don't move off of the left wing. But at the same time, him ask him to be a winger more. Where him ask Liam Bailey, a lot of the times, even in the Jamaican team, ask Liam Bailey to be a striker that supports midfield. Sometimes ask Liam Bailey to be a winger that supports the midfield. Sometimes ask Liam Bailey a winger to play the inverted role as a winger, playing inside and playing the channels.
Or as a midfielder.
Or as a midfielder, period. So, Liam Bailey have a different role than the Margaret. But I am wondering now, if you give Liam Bailey that right wing spot and say, oh, yeah, we going to look for midfielders, no worry about the midfield, just play as a right winger, do what you do.
Get the ball,
maybe we'll see.
Shamar Nicholson cut in and kick the ball at the ball.
Maybe we'll see a better Liam Bailey. Because one thing that I was disappointed about, especially in the last year, bro, Liam Bailey's touch for Jamaica, and come down to the surface that them play upon one. But at the same time, Liam Bailey touch not really miss a lot of the time, bro. Liam Bailey, the ball stick. So when we are watching for Jamaica, we see it not quite come off. Again, we're not in the camp. We don't know when players are struggling with injury. We don't know when, personal things are going. We can only judge by what we see on the field. And sometimes just look like a different player. So right now, I tell you the truth, I'm happy for Liam Bailey. I'm happy the product where I get from him and representing for Jamaica on the highest level. He's playing in the best league in the world. And so far,
Against the best players and them kick them ass.
And so far, you can't name 10 players right now for the season in terms of best 10 players of the Premier League season. And don't call Liam Bailey name. Bro, Aston Villa is in the top 4 conversation.
Heavily impacted Liam Bailey's output.
There was a play. Aston Villa was second 2 weeks ago.
Double-digit goal contributions by January.
You can't ask so much better than that.
You can't.
You can't, like, right now, if Liam Bailey continue on this trajectory, I tell him I'm going to be Aston Villa player this season. Number one. But not even just that. He might play him way in the team of the season. We'll see players come and even...
Yeah, we can continue on this trajectory and him end up with 11 goals and
20 plus that, man.
assists.
20 plus that.
Yeah.
And again, you cannot ask more than that.
No.
That is where you want.
That's a lot. 11 and 7. Great season.
Yeah.
11 and 10. Or 10 and 10.
There we go. So, again, Brother Liam Bailey, very excited. Bro.
If Aston Villa continue on this trajectory, they have 3 or 4 players this season.
Yeah. You're right.
Right now, Martinez is the best goalkeeper in England right now.
Douglas Costa.
Yeah, and then
Diego Costa for me was stupid.
We know Ali Watkins.
Obviously, he's not going to stop scoring.
Yeah.
You get me? I say, so you're right. They have a lot of players at the season, but we just feel like right now, Liam Bailey time. Honestly. You know, so happy for him. Long may it continue. I mean, I tell you the truth.
Need a match, especially we're gonna play USA without Jamaica.
We need it in a match. We need Liam Bailey to come with that same form in a match. But as I said, the role.
You know who beat USA?
Liam Bailey.
Liam Bailey have a bit, especially without him.
Yeah.
Biggie that red card. It still born me to this day.
Yeah. It's fine. We move. But watching the people, what may I say is that, where Liam Bailey is concerned. Right? Is this it, or do we want to see another move?
No, as in, I think there is another move.
What you think, like a Barcelona, like a Real Madrid?
Or higher up in the Premier League.
Yeah, but all right.
Barca and Real Madrid are high. Bro. But then we also say,
you think Ferran Torres much better?
And Ferran Torres. You get me?
Much better than...
So we've seen that.
Adam better than Liam.
Yeah. So we've seen that. However, is that the role we want Liam Bailey to play? Where we're sure already go play for Barcelona? Not sure. Be more seen. I'm going to say Chelsea, but Aston Villa right now seem to be a better team than Chelsea. But could you see a Chelsea or
Me not leave Aston Villa right now go Chelsea, you know. I tell you the truth, you know.
Or Man U.
I tell you the truth. And where Chelsea is concerned, obviously it's not a Premier League show. But we can't help ourselves talk about football. Brother, I'm not telling you lies, since Abramovich gone, it's been a mess. Yeah. And even though there were seasons when it was a mess under Abramovich, Chelsea not stayed up for that. Chelsea will finish 16th.
Then they're going to win the Premier League next year.
Bro, Chelsea finish 16 and then win the Premier League next year.
They win the Champions League.
Like, that's how Chelsea works.
That's how Abramovich used to work. But then again, as Mr. Todd Bowley probably invest in the future.
Bro, Todd Bowley don't know what he might do, bro. Todd Bowley don't know what he might do. You don't give managers 5 months and fire them. You don't give managers 6 months and fire them. If them are good managers, it's not that they can't manage.
The fact that them are getting a job because of the amount of money they spend.
You just appeal people. Can you have it? How much manager MP already? 3? 2? 2 clip fire. You fire old boy from Brighton. Lampard did come back for a little still. Like, Chelsea just Todd Bowley just know him. Where am I do?
But to the point where they're trying to make Liam Bailey, I think there is a move to, or maybe a Borussia Dortmund.
No, I don't want to move it.
Something like that.
I don't want to move it. Want a Champions League moving, don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
Bayern, fine.
But the thing about Bayern is Bayern and Real Madrid are the same class of team.
Mm-hmm.
Bayern and Real Madrid are the same class of team. Bayern, Real Madrid and City.
That's all I want.
So that's the three. Bayern, Madrid and City.
Aspiration to win the Champions League, bro. You say Arsenal. You say Liam Bailey to Arsenal.
Liam Bailey to Arsenal. I don't see who can get to that team, bro.
You know, on the time for talk about Jamaicans right now.
Because Arsenal have the best.
Arsenal have the best
right
competition. Saka could have used some competition. But
besides Salah, Arsenal have the best right winger in the Premier League. Besides Salah. Yeah. I'm not talking.
I don't disagree.
I don't think Arsenal is the move per se. But I could
Man City will come for them 75, yeah?
Yeah, and I think he have a better chance of breaking the City team than the Arsenal team. You know, City's a better
Man
team.
U.
But think about it. That's why I say a move like that, a Man U or a, God forbid, a Chelsea
Tottenham.
or a Tottenham. Tottenham could use Leon Bailey right now. That would have been a sexy move.
Yeah, for sure. That would have been a big move for Tottenham.
To think about a move like that, that would have been a really nice move.
Yeah.
Leon Bailey got Tottenham. I think that would be perfect. And I think if Leon Bailey continue playing this game, he'll play himself into a move like that. But as I said, a City move, I think is even a better move than Arsenal.
Yeah, but
gosh,
as I said, long may the form of Leon Bailey
Leon Bailey can push anyone as City wide players then. Fair game.
Yeah, I believe so, because City now are deadly wingers right now. And is Doku any better than Leon Bailey? We can't say that. We can't confidently say that.
On the other side.
But no, but as wingers, them now nobody where we can't say Leon Bailey can't.
The Silva, Foden player wide sometimes, but then I have nobody where. But I think Leon Bailey could have gone and make the right side then.
Yeah.
Genuinely believe that.
I agree.
City are top now. That's a move.
Yeah, I agree. So that's Leon Bailey in the Premier League.
Yeah.
Let's talk about Shamar Nicholson real quick. Shamar Nicholson struggling in Russia, got the move to France. You know, obviously Clement was a team that was at the bottom of the table. They're making their way up the table. Much to Shamar Nicholson's contribution.
Of course.
You know, Shamar Nicholson is, I'd say, the catalyst of their force. Obviously, I don't know the other players that came in, but I know that he was one of, if not the biggest signing of the summer. Mm-hmm. And right now, we can't say it's a goal machine because I like him bagging hat-tricks and braces every week. But he's playing some good football. And he might get the goals.
And he might even pan the balls too, which show who he is, right?
Mm-hmm. And man, I hope this again comes with, and we've been seeing it.
Yeah, the form for Shamar Nicholson, we can't complain. The form that we've seen for Shamar Nicholson never get Nation League player of the competition, even if we don't win.
Yeah. He's been playing.
Shamar Nicholson won that. Because Jamaica will come third, least.
I feel like we can't win enough. If we get through this game without them, are great.
Yeah. Then it's ours. We get Mexico.
Yeah. I think we just need to get through this game without them, are great, which is going to be a tough task. But at the same time, we don't expect we get some game, man. We solidify our wing spot.
Or the star at 23. Does Whisper make it into the 23 for March?
If they can't really like the Whisper forwards. If them are going to play on the left, then Bobby Reid are going to play on the left. I ain't like Bobby Reid. Too tough on the left.
Yeah, but as I said, Whisper not showing nothing.
No, I'm saying I was just hoping that by March, Whisper would have played 8 games in a top 5 league in the world.
Yeah, not still, but like 5 games.
At January now, March I play. Like by March, 8 games I can play. More than 8 games I can play. Let me say, I will talk about Whisper very soon. But that was just the point I was making. We need to get past. We need to get past this competition. And no, it's definitely not
January
too late.
29.
It's not too late. We have 4 weekends in February and then March are coming. So you never know what will happen. We'll get to Whisper. But as far as Shamar Nicholson go, we see the form translating from France
as soon as he let the move
to the Premier League. You know, and I believe that Shamar Nicholson, when he's at his best, Jamaica plays better. You know, I'm going to make a take right now. I don't know how hard it's going to be because Mikel Antonio has been injured this season. But if we have an unformed Shamar Nicholson striking for us, is that the way to go? Is Shamar Nicholson the man to lead the line if he's unformed and firing? Or do we still go with Mikel Antonio? No. Is it time now to say what Shamar Nicholson will lead with?
I mean, I think it's both of them. I think 2 of them have to play. Based on how Haldimson want to play.
Haldimson not play with a 4-4-2.
Based on what we have, I still think it has to be 2 of them. Like Shamar Nicholson and Mikel Antonio have left on the field. If even you have to play Shamar Nicholson at the side and make him come inside, if you have to play a 4-2-3 with Shamar Nicholson.
We don't want to see that still now. I'm saying, obviously I think about a 4-3-3 with a striker, 2 wingers and 3 midfielders. Yeah. And if that is what Haldimson is going to do, which I doubt it, Right now, bro, I've been thinking about Shamar Nicholson more for my line. Now, imagine Mikel Antonio off the bench in the 60th, 70th minute. Now that's a whole different problem for them. Instead of trying to put everybody on the field all at once, Mikel Antonio get up in that age and he's injured, bro.
Yeah, that would have
That would have worked, bro. Shamar Nicholson with film form, Mikel Antonio just come bad them up and bully them. Bro, USA don't want to see Mikel Antonio in that same thing. Me not ask you. You know, so maybe it's time to. And Shamar Nicholson was leading the line for Jamaica before he even get the competition. Don't get me wrong. But when I say right now, I feel like it's Shamar Nicholson's spot to lose as the centre forward for Jamaica. Even though when they're both.
Well, I mean, right now, Fiend spot.
He was a Fiend spot last summer.
Yeah, but
bench him
right now, based on him in recent form.
But Mikel Antonio injured, so he's not a chance.
Regardless, Mikel Antonio did their affirmation. Shamar Nicholson.
Mikel Antonio get injured, bro.
Shamar Nicholson not the player of the Nations League. Shamar Nicholson.
When they play in a stadium, Shamar Nicholson did start? Yeah, Shamar Nicholson. Both of them did start. Yeah. But me as I said, right now Shamar Nicholson not the forward of me want to see. Shamar Nicholson playing well, Liam Bailey playing well. Obviously we know where I get from them are great. We need to find something good at midfield. We need to find something with the midfield.
Yeah, right I know, bro. Right I know. Ronaldo Barrett, Denzel Washington, Mackenzie, Adrian, but me I say them man the need for.
You mean, bro? They need to move now.
We are
talking about that.
We are saying that yet. Them mans are 17, bro.
Bro, I think them need to move now. Them man in Jamaica till they are 20 minutes.
Them man they need fit, bro. We need to look upon them one day and say, yo, we need to mature and come beat the best players in Jamaica. Like, Denzel Mackenzie, we need you to be good.
But them not see. So we're begging
just
for a midfielder.
Yeah.
Like the Jamaican national team will literally have begged, bro, over the last 4 windows, including obviously the Goalkeeper that coming at that. We midfield change at least. We midfield change every game, almost every game, if not every game. Or we don't have a solid.
And we have no creativity from the midfield.
Bro, we centre back in a midfield. We literally do that. Joel Latibody is a right back slash centre back. I play in a midfield. Obviously, he might play more midfield. No, but I midfield him complaints or all the midfield.
A Latibody spot that.
You see it?
We don't have no midfield.
And he might get Latibody get chance one chance and him get it with both hands.
Daniel Johnson hard.
So these young players, Daniel Johnson and all that. So these young players who are come up right now, them for the chance and them for grab it.
Yeah, and as I say, the Manning Cup player of the season, both Manning Cup players of the season. Denzel Mackenzie, he won the, and I think second would have been Ronaldo Barrett. Mm-hmm. Both of them players of the season, both of them central midfielders.
Top talents.
One of them play higher up the park and the other, but we need 10, 8 and 6. We need 10, 8 and 6. But definitely need a 10 and a 8. Need that. And may I look to the future. And may I hope so within this cycle, bro. Based on how it look right now, probably a lot to ask.
It is a lot to ask.
But I hope so within this World Cup qualifying cycle, one of them can push them way into the national program.
I hope so, man. And I hope whenever they do, they are good enough. That's how I'm really hope for. Because these players are talented, but talent has never been the problem. The thing is, them are 17 now, and then at 19, they are still playing the competition that they were playing at 17. And if you're going to be a top talent in the region, but even not about the world, if you're planning for starting at Jamaica midfield, and Jamaica, me believes that Jamaica have one of the best squads in the region. Mm-hmm. You can't be 18 or 19 and still in Jamaica, bro. I don't want to see it.
You can't be in a Jamaica, period.
So right now, more than you
was the last grace and now we saw out of Jamaica.
Right. You see me, so? And even though these players are really good, they ain't no whisper. I can't tell you that. You see me, so? I get what you're saying, and I am looking to the future too, because I don't think we're going to go out there and search for a player with Jamaican descent and just come change ball game. I think it has happened. We've been trying, and it just now connect.
There's none even so.
Omar Hutchinson can't come give you the 10. But even Omar Hutchinson, I like Omar Hutchinson not set the championship alive.
All that neither. That's the thing I'm trying to say. We don't have a Leon Bailey.
I don't think we need a Leon Bailey.
Or we don't have a let me see who. Well, you have like a Max Aarons.
But we need an Andre Blake. We need an Andre Blake. We need a central who would be the best central or one of the best centrals in the MLS. If he come play for Jamaica. That level there, I'm good enough. I'm good at that level there, you know. If we have a midfielder that is as good as Damian Lowe at centre back, I think would have work. Think about it now. We don't need
A world class.
we don't need a world class 10 or a world class 8. We need somebody for keep it ticking. We need somebody for win the ball and get it to our attackers. I'm so sorry that Lambert never take the step I'm expecting to take. He's very inconsistent. But when Lambert dep on him game, I like what Lambert offer. It's just that him not do it well
I don't think Lambert is technically good enough either.
That too.
As I said, Damian Lowe, where people ship on all the time, a central defender, I think it's more technical than the central midfielders that we have. Still thinking better on the ball than a Lambert. Who play high up the park than you get me, I said. So we definitely need some technical ability in our midfield, but especially higher up in our midfield.
Yeah.
We need a technically good gifted player. Sebro. I look on them to you there. Barrett and Mackenzie.
Yeah, please. Ronaldo Barrett, Denzel Mackenzie. Ronaldo Barrett played for Idle, the number 8. A lot of people call him the best player in the Manning Cup this year. We definitely think if he's not the best, then I'm definitely the second best. Yeah, top talent, man. He played for Cavaliers. Denzel Mackenzie.
Ronaldo Barrett, I play every game for Cavaliers. All of them.
I didn't start. The next one named Adrian Reed. Adrian Reed, everybody know Adrian Reed, the son of, he's a junior. Played for Georges, Captain Georges, top talent. Denzel Mackenzie, Phoenix baller, play for Mona, top talent. Yeah, these are players that can take the next step, but I just hope that the people that are controlling their careers, get them to that point. And as we say, I don't want to see them in Jamaica. I just don't want to see it. Hopefully them get. It's not as easy as I'm making it out, but it can be done. Them can leave the country before them turn 19.
We see Romain Blake.
Exactly. We'll see with Romain Blake. Romain Blake leave Jamaica with
Lamont Rochester.
So these players have talents, but we need them have some ways to go. But if it work or it can work with the talent with them have, we have a future. Now let's talk about the future of Jamaican football. I'm not take back my talk. Dujuan Richards. What is going on?
I don't know.
You're not inside?
No, not yet, but may I get some.
Listen, I get some people for the next show.
Tune in for the next.
Tune in for the next Keep Up with Reggae Boys. Whisper the deal was confirmed, and people look out for some exclusives. We have some things that come. I have an interview when you never see it. We spoke to the scout. He's the chief recruiting officer.
Mm-hmm.
Don't call him a no scout. He's responsible for the scouts. He came to Jamaica to meet Whisper personally. He came to talk to Craig Butler to pitch them. Yeah, this is when a couple clubs were in for Whisper. He came, he told them what he wants from Whisper. Told the team what he has to offer. And Chelsea signed Whisper. When it was announced officially in January, Whisper is on the books of Chelsea. He's listed on their website. He is a player. He is a Chelsea player. So that's undisputed. And when you check it, he's not listed on the under 23 squad.
Yeah.
He's not listed on the 18 youth squad. He's not listed on the. No, obviously he can't go less than that.
Mm.
But he's a senior player.
Yeah.
We see him training with the senior team. We don't see much development yet. But if may I be honest, and probably a lot of people say, "Wow, with Whisper, what the truth? He's not ready." Well, I don't know if he's ready yet. But on a Super Premier League ball, go. Mm-hmm. and we said from the signing, obviously Craig Butler said otherwise. Bro, Whisper never just walk in a Chelsea team. That never happen. And don't get me wrong, I feel like his trajectory is leading him there. I feel like Whisper can start in Chelsea's team eventually. Right now, just turned 18. Have a little bit of the preseason with them. Just come do some winter training. Bro, you're not going to start in the Premier League. Not yet. Obviously, you test out the waters and go play with the under 23s a little bit. Go on train, get him up to speed, get him to the speed of the game.
Yeah. Premier League is the fastest
league. Bro, Premier League play fast. Premier League play fast, and not only play fast, it's a physical league. You get me, I say, and a lot of competition in his position. It's not easy.
In Chelsea, there's a lot of competition in every single position. Chelsea have every single ball in the world.
No joke. So, but for real though, I am not necessarily disappointed that Whisper not compete for Chelsea yet. I am not necessarily disappointed that we're not really here not yet. These things take time. Due to 18, you get the move where more and get the move where deserve. eventually we're going to see the youth play for Chelsea. And if it is not for Chelsea, if him get loaned out to the Championship, which I don't think he will, if him get loaned out to Netherlands or France or Germany, with a life to say a Germany loan still, but even not go
Or
around
Belgium.
Mood of mine a Belgium loan either. If he gets loaned out to one of these leagues, him can rip it up. He have the talent to rip it up.
Yeah.
He's a special kid. You see me, so
Something needs to happen still.
we need to hear something
But
soon.
as I said, I go seek out some information and then come back to him.
Yeah, but I don't think it's a case of. Yeah, you know, it could be. It could be that he's not up to speed yet. Because obviously, when people say him already, it speaks to the talent of the player. He's talented. Premier League talent. We not go around him. Whisper is a Premier League talent. And with 6 months of preparation, being around this team for 6 months, we not see Whisper. Nah, compete. I say I'm gonna start on the Chelsea team. I say he's a Premier League starter. But Whisper can definitely make a Premier League team. You see me? So looking forward to seeing the kid play. Looking forward to see, what's in store for the young Jamaican. But yeah, people, patience with the kid. Patience. Everything will work. Everything will come together, and it will work for the good. Whisper.
Is Chelsea the club that you want to be managing our future's career?
Not necessarily. Because I just say earlier, Todd Bowles know him I do.
Yeah.
Chelsea right now, the way Chelsea's been around, is not the place where I want Whisper to be.
No.
If me I talk about him development. One thing with Chelsea, them go and buy. And even the players them where they bring back in right now is not who get developed in at the time when them are used them. So if you think about Broha, that's a before.
Yeah.
If you think about Gallagher, that's a before. Gallagher, that's a before. Right now, I see Chelsea have blood in the body like that. Obviously, the Caldwell youth or whatever, but.
Yeah, I mean, a little dribble like Jackson come in and.
Bro, buy them man, they get buy, bro.
You talk about who, like, them develop.
Yeah.
The last person where Chelsea developed were good at Mason Mount. And Christensen.
And
James. But them man, they all know Virgin.
They are big man.
I try to tell you.
Wait, man, I say
them man, they're the last.
When I see the 18-year-old breaking
that are the last set of people. Mount and Christensen. Good one.
And the same thing, we can say for Arsenal, they don't really sit down, you do around the squad like that, and you them come sit down and watch match and go back and under 23, and go back and under 18.
Bro, you have a good still.
Man,
you have a good fit.
So when I see when me 1 year he come play, if you can, so hold on, that's just for history.
Yeah, that's just literal just.
I don't like it.
When
the man on the bench couple times, especially in the Champions League.
Saka was 17. You remember that? Yeah. So one of the best players in the really. So you have to have. At the end of the day, we always say with national team. Bossa man team. National team.
Guess what?
Saka never get bossed. Saka good enough to play.
Odegaard
never get bossed.
You call up the youth them and you put the youth them on the bench.
Yeah.
And you play a Champions League match where you qualify already top of the group. Why Odegaard play 80 minutes again?
Yeah.
You get me? I say, and then in the same breath, you go play one FA Cup game. I don't know what you do with the squad.
Still a lose.
And we'll still it's not meant to say, but we still do Arsenal. Even though it's not like the Arsenal talk, because the man has stressed me up more while. But yeah, that's as far as Whisper go. I'm looking forward to seeing Whisper very soon. I'm actually at work on something, but I don't make people know yet. But we have the interview for job.
Yeah.
I think it's time. I think we can get some clearance for that. Yeah. Hopefully everything will work out right there. Let's talk about some under 20 football. I get the squad up on the screen. And yeah, go on talk about that. You have a squad play.
Yeah, the under 20 squad, weird. I wish there was more information, but there just simply isn't enough information. You know, I gotta try to get on the channel, bro. Simon Preston. I gotta link Simon and tell Simon to come on the channel real quick for to chat about that team.
Yeah.
I think the team is heavy with our last under 17.
Right?
And that's good and bad. Because
start with the good.
Good, so we have a transition. This is the first time when I say a transition. I don't remember if you did still make a video about this. Probably a year ago, maybe. Where they talk about how they have players who play under 17, and when I hear back from them for under 20, and then when I see them in the senior team. You remember us?
I remember the conversation.
This time, the transition. So we have Joshua Grant, who just play under 17, he might play under 20 now. Dujuan Lynch. You get me, I say? Let's get through the squad real quick.
Yeah, man, got you the squad.
All right, so the goalkeeper, Joshua Grant, Dujuan Lynch, and Dujuan Davis. Right?
Let's talk about that real quick.
Um,
I know you have something to say about this, you know.
huh.
Make it talk.
First of all,
Now you're a hater, bro.
no, I'm not saying I want to hate, but the wonder what going
I
Akeem,
make me say I'm going to Buckley.
wonder what going Akeem Bernard.
Let me know I'm going to Akeem Bernard.
Akeem Bernard never gets selected into this team.
Okay.
That's weird.
It is weird.
That's so weird to me.
It is weird.
Especially with Dujuan Davis.
Akeem Bernard don't get seen a call up.
No.
Jamaica showing.
The thing about this is, right? I understand that some of the goalkeepers the money come a bit old. Because you think about
But when when would the World Cup?
2 years time.
Akeem Bernard not eligible for play the World Cup.
Yes, bro. Akeem Bernard is 18. Akeem Bernard is 18, so he's not gonna be able to play.
Might be 20 when the World
Bro,
Cup come around.
let
When
me-
I'm birthday.
Let me tell you the age group. The age group where I'm gonna go pull up this on a sub real quick. 'Cause you know we have the inside info. People. One second, I'm gonna pull up the squad list. 'Cause
Wait, after be something, Akeem Bernard just can't get left out. How do you crick but go ballistic? Because that omission don't really make no sense in terms of
we've talked about it for real.
yeah, bro, him just say something already. The man then hide and talk with them players and get selected if they deserve to get selected. So there must be something. It must be that team not eligible. Find the age requirements.
Alright, so I'm gonna find because Brian Burkett is older than Akeem Bernard.
mm,
And Brian Burkett there.
mm,
1 second. So I have all of them. Alright, so I have all of them date of birth. See?
Mhm.
So you have Shakur Adair,
big keeper. You can keep.
he born in 2004.
He's
I
only
think,
keeper.
I think that's why he never go. And then you have Antoine Gooden, that's the Glenmore keeper. Next bad keeper again. 2004. You have Michael Forbes who is there.
Michael Forbes.
Also,
Big
big up to
defender.
Michael Forbes.
Big defender.
Michael,
Rate that you there
Michael
very highly.
Forbes born in 2005.
Yeah.
If I'm not mistaken, I thought this year was a 2006 year.
Mhm.
That's what I thought. You know who born 2006, like Xander Bicknell, which is a weird time seeing like him a pro for Dujuan Richards.
Yeah.
Akeem Bernard,
Mhm.
born 2006. You get me, I said? Let me see who else did they know. So Devonta Hodges born 05 and he's not there, but Devonta Hodges born January and Michael Forbes born April. So bro, me know. But so it not add up to me. Right, let me see. So Ronaldo Barrett 2006, Akeem Bernard born 2006.
Akeem Bernard born 2006.
Akeem Bernard Whisper same age. Akeem Bernard and Whisper are literally same age. Them separated by months. Akeem Bernard born at the end of the summer. Whisper born in the week.
Bro, something. That don't make no
You
sense.
get me? I say. So we have Ronaldo Barrett born July. So Ronaldo Barrett older than Pusai.
Mhm.
You have Dylan John, we born March, so him older than Pusai.
Right.
Adrian Reed, him born September, so him slightly younger. You get me? I say. Brian Burkett, 2005. I'm even surprised he's that young. Brian Burkett is there. You get me? I say. And Brian Burkett born 2005. And then you have Omario Henry, who's also there, born 2005. And then, yeah, so that
All right. Let me see something.
these are the all schools team. Like,
So
they don't have
2005,
everybody with it, but these are the all schools team. Right?
July, May, March. 2004. Oh, but he may get selected.
This is the all schools team.
Oh,
yeah,
so this is
yeah. That's another.
So you just gotta use it to get them.
Yeah, for some of them. I mean, no say Whisper born 2006.
What you think about that? Dujuan Richards playing under 20 for Jamaica? What do you think?
It's a pipe dream. Hope,
As in, I don't think it will happen. I don't
hopefully,
think it will happen.
like hopefully he can
In
go.
charge of it.
Hopefully he can go to World Cup. It's fine. Hopefully he can go to World Cup. That would be cool. Me that call him up for the World Cup for qualify.
I don't see why not.
I'm gonna know if Chelsea would have let him go. Stay.
Honestly, I don't see why. You see, if him never play, me don't say make him come qualifiers.
As in, I know you decide.
Me say if him not go play, if I was Chelsea.
Oh, if you were Chelsea,
me don't make him say
oh.
who else can make him go. Me not must have to be Chelsea. if him not gonna play, I would give him. I would
Yeah,
allow him to go and play.
we not see that. Even with the top teams in CONCACAF, we don't see them players come. And even them players didn't even go to World Cup.
Not if you're playing.
Like
in the
Snonina
Premier
never
League.
even go to World Cup and Reina and them man, they never even go to World Cup.
Right.
The under 20 World Cup.
But that's also when you see much more already.
Cause them man they play senior international football. But
Yeah.
like Snonina and Reina, them could have gone. And people did want them go.
Yeah.
But them never get the record. Barisha Dortmund did a fight to win the something. Because the under 20 World Cup recently just gone. Dortmund literally Dortmund back in the league.
Yeah.
Essentially, you get me I say? So Slonina, he never there play more football. That's why he never go. But you say, been there, done this. You get me I say? Them man they do everything.
Bro, when you got the Gold Cup and you win the Gold Cup, do you want to go and compete for under 20 World Cup? No, for real. Like if just think about it, if me did go and me are playing at this and we got the World Cup already.
Yes.
But we do so much already.
Yes,
Do I want to go to the under 20
bro,
World Cup?
look up.
Yeah, so
look
that
up
now from a perspective of not doing anything, bro. So we don't know how it even feels.
It's weird because I'm see Brian Burkett and Michael Forbes, but two of them born
under 20 World Cup.
two of them born.
Put age, so that we know the cutoff.
Last year was 2020.
Last year was 2023.
2023, so 2025.
Best year in life.
What, 2023?
What are you talking about? Don't be ungrateful right now.
The best year of your
Don't
life?
be ungrateful right now.
So what if I make it the best year of my life? What in a 2023 that if make it the best year of my life?
So loud. It's up there for the worst?
I'm a cuss by the way.
It's up there for the worst?
Every year after COVID up there for the worst year in my life. I not say the worst, but it's up there.
Boy.
Yeah man, it's up there man.
When COVID come to that?
You know I say after COVID shit just hit the fan, bro. It just hit the fan. You tell
I
you the
feel like
truth.
all of them look eat that fan they did.
No man, I want big metal
Industrial
fan.
fan.
Yeah.
No joke. Bridget, where you look for that? You there start talking about telling you like I say alright, you know. See, you make it better, brother. Under the age of 20. So you have under the age of 20 when the World Cup are going.
And the World Cup is going to be
In the summer.
played in Tunisia when?
The World Cup are playing in the summer. Go to school now.
Just look now man.
Bro, type in 2002.
This is the one in Tunisia. But
Hold on. Scroll back up now. Virginia scores so fast. Scroll back down a little bit. You know, so this is the Women's World Cup still.
No man, no Women's World Cup. If you're under 20. It's a World Cup tournament members meant. Man, what is wrong with you?
Yeah, this is a women's, bro. But never.
Anyway, it's a summer competition.
Scroll down.
So,
Our boss, can see something. Scroll down. That's crazy. Alright, scroll down a little bit. Stop. Alright, you know that. But it's a summer competition, which means they have a ban before the summer.
yeah. But which year would that be the cutoff? 2025. Also 2005 would that be the cutoff. Before summer 2005. Shit. We want to look back on when it's Michael Forbes and ban again. Before summer, Michael Forbes is ban. Yes, so Michael Forbes and Brian Burkett ban before summer. So they're eligible. But I mean, one thing in 2006 you're eligible, period.
Means we're now there.
Yeah. Rest of the squad.
No, you would have to ban after. You would have to ban after the competition. Because if you birthday before the competition, you turn 20 before the competition. So you have to ban after the competition.
Judge, I wish my phone is still up so I could have seen them use the data, bro.
Yeah, but 2006 still make it.
No, everybody
So it goes to your point.
2005 people
Make
can
it
talk about.
Yeah, 2005, you have to ban after. So them
Because Brian Burkett and Michael Forbes did it from 2005. But go back to the squad.
Hold on. The squad up there, man. Oh, you want?
Yeah.
That's
I'm phone dead.
Watch this stuff.
Yeah, so we have the goalkeepers now, Joshua Grant and Dwayne Lynch. When we talk about retention, right?
Mm-hmm.
Joshua Grant and Dwayne Lynch were the under 17 goalkeepers.
Right.
Under 17, they only had two.
I remember.
So those were the two under 17 goalkeepers. So it's good to see that them both come back. What I cannot understand it now is warm to it with top Manning Cup goalkeepers them from last year. You get me? I say which Akeem Bernard have been involved. Now we have one. So we have one. I think Dujuan Davis was best 2005 one too. This man's not ready, bro. Dujuan Davis cannot be one of the goalkeepers
Yeah, man.
that is going with this group. Maybe maybe all the outstanding goalkeepers like as I say with Shakur and whoever them want name.
No, this not. I don't want to go.
Whoever them want name.
Alright.
So this was 2003. So now January 2005.
Yeah.
People that have born 2003. Yeah. So them have, so once them are 20 in the year. So I guess 2005
See, so players born on or after January 1st, 2003 are eligible for 2023 FIFA Under 20 World Cup.
Oh, so that
players
means
born after
2000
January 1st, 2005. So you have born after January 2005.
So 2005
Everybody
eligible. Yeah.
Everybody, Michael Forbes, all of them eligible.
Yeah, all are just the 04 one them like Malachi Douglas and them man did. And them man they're really old in a Manning Cup. Them man they're old
What
in a
is
Manning
squad?
Cup.
Who you think gets snubbed? Obviously you say
Alright, so
Akeem
now we do
Bernard.
eligibility, so it's good. Akeem Bernard, I think, should have been the goalkeeper.
Lamar
for this
Rochester was at
competition.
under 17 competition.
No, Lamar Rochester was not on. He was
No,
on
it was
the
under
under
20.
24.
Yeah.
I think Lamar Rochester 2004.
Yeah. Romain Blake.
Romain Blake 2005.
Bro, Lamar Rochester was there, bro.
Yeah, Lamar, not
Under
under
17.
17, in the under 20. Romain Blake play under 20, bro.
Romain Blake play with Rochester.
Yeah, but him did younger.
Yeah.
Romain Blake was the youngest on the team. Romain Blake and Xander Bicknell were the two youngest on the team.
I remember. You're right.
And
You're
2005 them born.
You're right.
The two of them born 2005. So yeah, so no Akeem Bernard, weird to me. I have to go find out why. Because I can't imagine Dujuan Davis is not a better goalkeeper than him.
I think it's a move thing. Unavailable.
Maybe. At least I hope that's the case. I have to find out because that have to be the only reason. It have to be the only situation. The absurd.
Yeah.
Then the defenders know. Michael Forbes, I hear Dixon.
Dixon is not a defender.
Yeah, I hear Dixon did play the under something there.
Dixon in a deep.
And Shakir there I talk about. No, but him too old. Him would have been one of the goalkeepers. Him for sure would have been over Dujuan Davis, I'd assume so. I hear Dixon, yeah, he captained the under 17 team.
Malachi Molina.
So he's back. Malachi Molina was a part of the under 17 team.
Ronaldo
Barrett was a part of the under 17 team.
Malachi Grant was a part of the under 17 team.
So we see a lot of comebacks
Jackson.
And not a defender.
Not a
Don't
defender.
know what
Mario
they do.
Henry, not
a
a
defender.
So I really 5 defenders listed. 1, 2, 3.
Or maybe they have defenders down.
But Ronaldo Barrett is not a defender. Anyways, midfielders, Christopher Ainsworth. That brother, remember from Calabar play for Cavaliers?
Yes,
Wicked man. He can play some football.
Romarion Thomas.
He can play some football.
05. Romarion Thomas 05. Kobe Thomas our next one. Wicked man.
Inter Miami.
Yeah. He was on the under 20 team.
Yeah, I remember.
So he was one of them, not on last year's under 17, he was on the under 17 team with Xander Bicknell and Romain Blake and Wayne name, the goalkeeper, goalkeeper now. Kanaya. Yeah.
That was under 20.
That was under 20. Kobe Thomas supported the under 20 team. Then you have Jamani Bell, who recently was under this under 17 team.
Jamani Bell not playing at Jamaica no more. Never see him in a Manning Cup.
Yeah, he was played in Manning Cup this year.
No?
For Wolmer's. Yeah, Jamani Bell played Manning Cup.
Last year that, bro.
Jamani Bell was a part of this Manning Cup.
Last year that. Jamani Bell
play for Wolmer's.
How much goal he scored?
I don't know how much goal he scored. Where is it? If he playing with a score on Holy Cup.
Jamani Bell last year and broke him, man, bro. I'm pretty sure.
He never in the season before, but I'm pretty sure he come back.
Pretty sure I asked about Jamani Bell this season and them say migrate. Swear to God. If I lie, me I tell. But watch another lie, me I tell. I think so.
Then Nico
Excited to
Gale.
see Jamal.
Yeah, Nico Gale, 2005 guy.
Top player.
Good player. Adrian Reed, he was a part of the under 17 team, so that's a 2006 player as well. Denzel McKenzie should have been a part of the under 17 team, but amidst controversy, he opted not to go.
To go on a trial.
Yeah, and then.
But I asked one team, my father.
Well,
from the trial, so I as well attend to
you see him there starting the team right now. And then Demaran Harris, congrats to the kid. Then Dustin Cohen, an ex-kid that was playing the under 17 team recently. Tyrese Go and Brian Burkett. Brian Burkett
lead the line. Brian Burkett lead the line.
I'm up the 10. Denzel over 6. Yeah.
I think I'm not fighting.
So, Mr. Denzel McKenzie at the 6 and Brian Burkett at 10. Brian Burkett are captain team.
Brian Burkett captain team. We look for other candidates now. Ronaldo Barrett.
Yeah.
He's a candidate to captain the team.
I would say if you talk about senior age, Brian Burkett are the oldest one.
Not for this squad. Ronaldo Barrett would that be for this squad. Wait, they would have been for this squad too. Adrian Reed.
They say because they play on
this squad, Brian Burkett has seen them. He's just older than them.
In terms of like international experience.
He
but you also for this
national
squad, none of them never play under 20.
No, I know, but I say in terms of the national setup.
Well, national setup, I guess.
Then about with the high line.
Yes.
Adrian Reed, high
but
line.
if we are talking about like under 20, we have
new coach said so who ahead probably didn't even matter.
Kobe Thomas are the only one right now.
Where one?
We played under 20 before.
Outsider.
Kobe Thomas are the only one. We played under 20 before. Then Alexander beat Nella back like injury. He was on the camp as well. That's why I beat Nella there. Or is it I beat Nella never made the cut of that now?
You're right,
But
Molina, the man that was 17.
Yeah, I expect to see Romain Blake.
Yeah, where Romain Blake? I expect
to see Xander Bicknell. I think I'm at just about 2004. But I have to check that real quick. But yeah, them man, I expect to see. I'm so surprised because Romain Blake is supposed to come captain the team. This is a Romain Blake team for captain.
Yeah, Romain Blake, top centre back. We don't know what going for Romain Blake and coming to play, but
2003 in Manchester. Who, brother?
Don't follow that, brother. I joke to me.
Yeah, so curious as to why no Romain Blake. That one is odd to me. Because I always expected him to come back and lead this
But
team.
this squad, good enough?
Bro, I don't even know.
The players were
2004.
2005.
Oh, yeah,
2005.
2005.
So,
Yeah.
eligible.
2005.
Blake at 18. So,
I was most excited to see him.
most recent match, October 23. Shouldn't have injured?
What fit?
Most
Chicago.
recent match? October.
Maybe.
But yeah, this squad, a lot of local players, a lot of players that you've seen before in under 17 that I feel like underachieved that under 17 squad. Yeah. But we not do it right. We not do it right at all. This is not how we prepare for a tournament.
Same shit.
We not do it right.
Yeah.
Again, we not do it right. Even though a lot of these players, they are coming from under 17, so them familiar. But obviously, we start camp from what?
Last week?
No, but like the team, yeah, it would have been last week.
Yeah.
All of them might have been a play Manning Cup and whatever, so maybe 2 weeks of camp before when the qualifiers start.
Couple weeks time, so middle of February.
We now do it right. But hey, still hope we can pull something out of the bag. I want to say Jamaican. I want to see this Jamaican.
Them they're on tour in Trinidad right now, not getting good results. Trinidad under 20 team beat them. Yeah. And they play a match with the TNT Police under 23. And I'm not sure what the result went, but I watched the match and never look at it.
No great.
We have some wicked man baller, but they're in a Manning Cup.
John Wall, get it together, my father. I'm quite my father still. Get it together. You see me? Look on the group real quick and then we're going to talk about some Reggae Boys and Close. I want to leave Reggae Boys for the next show. I'll give them I'll give Reggae Boys for the next show.
Yeah, we can talk about Reggae Boys next time.
There we go. People, we're going to talk about the group real quick. Well, we're show to the group real quick. There's not much to talk about because we don't know these
Yeah,
players.
and
We've never
the
seen
thing.
them play.
And especially at this level.
But I hope I don't know about Bermuda under 20 squad. But if you know about Bermuda senior squad, no joke.
Name one player who ever represent Bermuda ever in the history of Bermudan football. Put up the group.
Hold on the group, brother. Let me Johnson.
Could you identify Bermuda on the map?
Johnson Charles.
Bermuda.
Of course, we know Bermuda map. Yeah. Oh, you mean the island? If we can find it as Bermuda, that's it.
So that must have on the map. What do you think? Bermuda flag, must
You know Bermuda flag?
Of course, we know Bermuda flag. You know
Bermuda flag, red and blue and white.
We know every single flag.
Bermuda flag, red and green and blue and white.
Flag. Bermuda.
The dominant color.
Blue. No, that's the dominant color.
Red dog.
You don't say red for real. It have blue on it. I red and blue and white.
Oh, stupid.
You know, so Bermuda
red dog. But anyways, it really don't matter. Let's look at the group real quick. Alright, so Jamaica, we're in a group with Bermuda, Grenada, and Martinique.
Trinidad dip on a rise, you know, bro.
We're in another group with Canada.
Trinidad dip on a rise, people.
Yeah.
Keep a look out for them.
Cuba dip on a look rise too.
Yeah.
In terms of seeing them, I don't know how the under 20 team go, but they dip on a rise. So, but this group, we don't know much about it. We don't know much about the players. We don't know much about the team. But I'm Jamaican. Jamaica team in this, so we'll come out of it. I expect us to come out of it.
I always love the men's youth teams.
Oh.
I always read it.
Stop fast, bro. Yeah. Draw the sentence, man. You're not so right. But carry on.
I always like take a keen interest in the youth football in Jamaica. You get me? I say it's always fun to just see how them youth are playing a Manning Cup and League Cup and then put them together and put them out. I do think these are the best set of 2005, 2006 to play the Manning Cup this year.
But do we want to be using a Manning Cup squad to represent
under 20s?
Jamaica?
No, not under 20s.
Under 17?
Maybe. But definitely not.
Because the one knows some 16-year-old that done the Manning Cup.
Yeah. Under 17 supposed to be the best players in the Manning Cup. But we didn't somebody take away the Manning Cup for the under 17 competition. 6 pounds have them own like a private league.
So it's not like we
make. Yeah.
So it's not like
joke thing.
But anyways.
Yeah, but right now if you're a baller, bro, you know like how the baller them, I got 6 farm, you can play ball. No, but if you're a baller, bro, grade 11 it done for you. Keep a waste of time. Keep up with the people that can't play ball. So them have like a separate 6 farm league, and they probably call it Jamaica College League. You get me? I said, but just the colleges them play. So they come see them and them school they play with the 6th farm. So all them send out a team and JC send out but I want Lily League. So like, yeah, bro, you
go. Manning Cup.
No, Virgin. Manning Cup under 17. So people don't want to stop repeat 3 times and then something like that. Because if you repeat, you have to end up playing a college league. You get me? I said, at that, them for the Manning Cup, the under 17 competition. So if you have under 13, under 15, and under 17, I saw it forgot. And then it's
under 14.
Under 13, under 13, under 15, and under 17. And just load and tell yourself to leave 6 farm alone.
Under 13.
Then you can keep 6 farm for other sport, you know. But you see for football, no 6 farm.
Yeah, under 13, Pepsi would have been just. Yeah, you wouldn't find a 9-grade man with younger playing in a Pepsi. Yeah. Just 7 or 8.
Yeah.
11, 12, and 13 year olds.
That's it. Under 13. Under 14. Come on, then. You see, if you are 14, Manning Cup, brother.
When we didn't have lower 6, that was 17 or 18.
Yeah. Sure, yeah. You see Malachi Douglas and them man there. And they're all brother.
But them man they are jubbing for me, them man they ain't for me. Them man they are jubbing, them probably still have 5th farm, bro. Who is it?
Malachi Douglas.
Which Malachi Douglas play was still now. Malachi Douglas
this is about Malachi Douglas 4th year in a 6th farm.
No, left man, no bother with that. Just left man.
Me not ask from the 3 year and 6th farm. And I ask, so Malachi Douglas a play because of the mountain ball.
I know that.
Genesis the mountain band.
Man could have start school late, bro. Man could have start school late. We are talking about.
You know, ask if what the youth name? Roger Taylor. And about 3 or 6 for him to do.
Nah, bro. We can see Roger Taylor in the khaki.
Yeah,
Scandalous in the dog.
Khaki was Roger Taylor. But Malachi Douglas had, bro, anyone we see them in the 2000, Kai Nixon. 2004,
like, you don't want to interview with Lenny Hyde. Want to talk to Lenny Hyde, bro.
Lenny Hyde give him number and stuff, link him now.
Lenny Hyde, we are trying to link you, I will not get for link you, but it's busy right now.
This time I text and call Lenny Hyde till cool. Let them fall back.
We'll make some connection. Lenny Hyde.
With the youth them what's up?
Once you want to talk to, put it out there now, bro. Right now we're trying to drop some more. What talk to you saying about it? We want to drop some more interviews. The interviews not going to be strictly football.
I want to talk to Chris Martin.
We want to talk to Chris Martin about it's become a big deal.
It's not the first, not the last.
Hey, left that now. You're a big man now, you know.
Don't advise.
Eh? You're a big man now, yeah? But that way I tell you, left that. Come by my show, come. What them thing, bro? No, I talk to Chris Martin very
yeah, bro, because Chris Martin a baller, and Chris Martin are the best baller we have in our entertainment space. No?
I know they can play ball too.
Lally, good.
You play
ball with Lally. But Chris Martin are the best baller out there right now. Chris Martin could have do this.
You don't want to talk to bro, want to talk to Chris Taylor. Is it the same I put it down in a car and get Actually, you know,
yo, people wouldn't even know how much would the rate that little Juby there, you know.
You get that one the wrong door.
Jesus have mercy. I know. That's why I should not think some get it wrong now. So old. We
Chris Taylor about 24, bro.
Cause when we go to school, Chris Taylor mash up. No, when we go to school, Chris Taylor class 2. Eh?
Christopher Taylor about 22, dog.
Probably, but yeah, 24 now, Virgin. Christopher Taylor down born in 2000, Virgin. Which year in born?
24 years, bro. Chill out. 1999. Hey, it's whatever. We're going to get Chris Taylor on the channel.
Chris Taylor, my age, like.
Chris Taylor almost about 99, bro.
So we are Chris Taylor, so why would it come that time small?
Smaller than a mug. You know who is back? I mean, I watched an interview with him on Sportsmax, Dujuan Richards. That youth, bro, is so talented. Obviously, college man. Yeah. Still, I'm getting an interview with him. Can't get that.
Bro, I remember saying Chris Taylor, bro. Chris Taylor will be the next sport. But to be honest, no, the trajectory depend never terribly now. Because in go the Olympics,
one of them will never go college.
He go the Olympics and him qualify. Same with Bolt. Bolt first Olympics. Never that hard.
When Bolt start win?
When
Bolt on board? Which age?
It would have been no. Oh. But Chris Taylor banned, so this would have been the year for him.
But him serve like 8 months out of time.
That's what I try to show you. But when I trials.
No, I'm gonna miss the next games. I think he might miss the next games.
So that I try to show you. This should have been like him got the last Olympics when he was a little Judy. And he performed well, you get me I say? So now you would expect Taylor to come in on his own. If him there continue upon the same boat trajectory. He's small still, but I don't know. But I mean, compare him to LeBron. Tell you the truth. Get it wrong.
Remember.
Yeah.
On the awfully wrong. I know so I interview him, I can tell him say, watching my father. You can't put it on getting a car. Don't make my original lie, you know.
Yeah.
But they really do lie over yourself.
Bro, Chris Taylor is the greatest champ athlete all the time, you know. In pass out, you say, because you say both mash up champs, then they might have somebody and them say, oh look, you say both are late blue. That's a late twitch blue, man.
You just said injury, not like it first.
You saying both are the best thing when stepping a track on the field since him stepping a boys and girls champs, but the only thing they are on 400 meters. He just mash up everything at the 400 meters. They get me and then know him switch to the sprint, which may I say maybe Chris Taylor would have probably ended. Because Chris Taylor smaller. So Chris Taylor finish and running 400 meters, he finish stronger than him start the race. So maybe him could have been like, obviously not as powerful as both, but you could have said, oh, maybe we could have seen him and take up the sprinting.
But you know, so since him got pro, minutes to the finish. Yeah. But then that was probably running against kids.
But the thing about it's not even running against kids, but look at the times them when they are running. Him could have qualified for Olympics from him champs times. Like him did already have the time to qualify. So In personal best, I still not think him running personal best. Since him at
But
20 and
sometimes you
19
see
years old.
injury dog and them thing there, bro. Them thing they set them back, you know. And then understand how good you feel as a Joey, bro. You're coming to your own and then you get banned. And the ban when you get is such a obviously we have to ask this still and get to understand now. We have to talk to my wife about this. This is a ban where you don't forget type of thing.
Yeah.
And the man them come out to me some place, they have a plane to catch a plane. Like, bro, Mr. Fly, bro. Like, you get banned, bro. Yeah. But we even talk to Chris Taylor, we even see what go on. Yeah.
But yeah, used to be like me say, bro, the times them with that man that
I want
they
to talk to
run
Bibi.
at 18 years old, I want to talk to Ricardo God.
I want to talk to Ricardo God.
You see, if we just get Chris Martin, bro, we can get the whole of them, dog.
Yeah, Chris Martin number. I didn't hear that with Chris Martin. So you have connection to Chris Martin.
Yeah, man, connection to Chris Martin.
Yeah, big deal.
I'm a big deal.
You singing the dog? I love you singing, man.
Like Shadi, me, sir.
I need it, my father.
So yeah, cause remember, you know, if you talk to Chris Martin, you know, remember, sir, man like Bibi. It's a song they try to drop, you know, when they do on the Olympia Rose already, you know, the whole of them, you know.
What do you mean? You know the whole medley, you know? Which one you want? You want Bibi?
Bibi and Chris Martin.
Don't tell me, I think you were somebody.
So what Chris Martin say?
Chris Martin say. Chris Martin went up on the oh, the whole with the girl, them. More for the girl, them. I love, you know, buy love, but my love, they are for the girl, man. I'm brass with the girl, them. Yeah. And the girl, them.
If
Olympia Rose in a cup.
yup.
I don't know that part go. We drinking champagne by the case,
But that
no.
one not really part of that group, that's still no.
No, I know.
But you
because
say,
I
but just look upon him and say, yo, here I know my
sing for that
father.
tune. Why?
Like that. But yeah, bro, Ding Dong and
Oh, the Ding Dong go.
dip on it. Ding Dong.
Yeah, no, me on top of the world, they on top of your girl.
You say, but they go out of thing still. If you give back your money, my father, but come on the channel. Come on the channel,
I'm
come
gonna
talk.
clip that.
Come on the channel, come talk.
You say, boy, it's fine, couple tune, you know. Never hit still, but I love that rhythm, there, bro. You know, some of my dogs tell me some only listen to that part and cars. That.
Why you that?
The tune bad.
I'm
I really
bad,
go, bro. Oh, God. Yeah, this man said that. But the man say, yeah, listen to that tune there only because they're artists. Me I say, bro, tune bad.
Bad song that.
And then him start listening. Oh, yeah.
But that part not
Big
really
up,
miss.
big up, you say.
And big up that part. One next class for the channel.
Interact with this thing already, you know.
Where you say to your boss?
Boy, I really don't want to tell you seniors. You know, I don't even really care like that still now. We da play some ball like factory dog.
Yeah.
Like football faction. I stay so bad I come out and I say a bag of woman and lean up on my car. So me and Black Station and step over to the car and kick and stay so now. So both the point I say, get up off your man car, man. Secretary General. I swear to God. I swear. Cross me hard. Me don't know.
So you never wait in it start truck?
When I see it, no, I did see them there already. I did see. I don't know if them come with him or what. Yo, them come with him, yeah, man. The man say,
No,
get up
but
off
the
your
man have him wife.
that no mean say you cannot pour.
Oh, yeah.
A whole heap of people is there. Some I'm bridging them.
Oh, yeah.
Just.
So I'm bridging girl then.
Me don't know who for girl, bro. Yeah, you say about liar. Me care, me don't know. I say, get up off my man care, man. Yeah, man. I'm fool in the dog. Oh, before I go to the man this and say, you know, say, need it on this time.
You see him both dog.
Me interact with this same ball.
You see him both like in
Which
that?
other star me interact? Me interact with Liam Bailey couple times.
Yeah. Step on a flight to the hotel.
I'm afraid to take a picture.
I'm afraid to take the picture.
Afraid to take a
You
picture.
never play for Jamaica yet? That was when he come down to play for Jamaica.
It is show him get caught. You don't get caught.
You know, with my artist today, I'm gonna shot the
You
picture.
could have get two of them, bro.
I'm never interested.
Like, you know, who's up on a flight with you?
with that.
So,
Sing it.
we don't go for no, man. Yeah, me and Tarsa are there for the same flight. I come over there. But watch you know. Yes, I touching my Bahamas, you see me? The honeymoon same way.
That is it before that.
But we have to stop at Miami. Step on the plane there and say, I win.
Yeah, so.
You know, I win.
Mm-mm.
We sing, one man can satisfy her. She need more wood for the fire. You know, I win. But I win sing, life seeds I
That
saw.
sounds like a bad song.
You know that tune there?
On the tip of the
Hey, man, no highway, dog. The man about everything, you know. But anyways, dog, and me and mom's apart. Stepping out, dog, highway and give mom's a dead steer, dog. I swear. No joke. Dog, highway look for, and she say, so we reach I see now and she say, every day I seen the brakes plate too, you know. The dog look for mom's with a dead look, brother. And she say, you see, highway they look for me. And man I say, I want to impress you and a weave and thing, bro. Them man about everything, bro. You know, I will steer on mom to the one dead steer.
Take off your wave, mama. I take off your fast.
You know who we meet again with you? That same bar was there. You know the dogs was saying who let the dogs out. You know that you didn't know them.
Yeah, but I come out the home.
Yeah.
So you know, sir.
Believe him. They need their karaoke. They don't know. It's just that system and thing.
He just telling us that.
They go sing for your man. Him go sing all it for your man. Your mom just sing the same way. Your mom just sing.
So when they go sing, when they go sing,
when we go sing, we go sing.
For the people that must
we go sing Ed Sheeran. When I'm with my baby, yeah. Beat clap again. Dog, after me I tell you I go sing the Busted in the dog. You know Busted? Busted. 2 damn o'clock in the morning, man.
From
when R. Kelly a grind off a man, man.
You know,
Mr. Biggs, yeah, not in that closet. But you know that tune there?
No, Mike, a ball game we talk about in the Virginia come talking about.
Anyways, so the dog go sing one bad tune, man can't sing a fart. When go up there introduce himself, I say, you know, say that you can come to me and my fame. The dog come up and say, oh, I don't know if you guys know, but I am the group named Bahamen. Let's see who let the dogs out. That's the one. Man say, you know the song, who let the dogs out? And they sing it to them. Everybody say, yeah.
I'm supposed to feel like a idiot.
I name my fame, man, look down.
No, because for sure, they have a bad song. With that song, they get millions of hits. I didn't even know who him be. Yeah,
swear to God. Swear to God.
Bro, watch it out. One big stand. Everybody know who name one big stand, bro. Like in a Jamaica.
Rich lifestyle, what?
Everybody knows one big stand. You see, if you have a one hit wonder, at least make yourself known from the one hit wonder. At least you can.
It's a group. It's hard to get known in a group, bro.
Just like that. What? We even know the name of a group still.
Bahamen. We find out that day. We don't know why I'm still member. Dog go up there and say, yo, who let the dogs out? Everybody say, who?
Watching up people, if you're still a watch, if
the reasoning part is.
When if you're still a watch, comment who let the dogs out. Let me see why you're real fine.
Yeah. Alright. Watch your style, you know. Which other style interact with you? Now we start with self, you know.
Yeah, bro, watch you know.
You know, I'm not the people thing. They're a bigger star. What if a star interact with still?
Let me tell you who else we need to get on the
channel. Interact with only football stars.
Shelly and Fraser.
Shelly and Fraser, bro.
My goat. Shelly and Fraser.
Want to have the Shelly and Fraser price, bro.
Shelly and Fraser.
Good price, but no one they should marry, you know.
Mrs. Price, you are. You see, you can't cuss on the channel. You can't cuss on the channel.
You're a channel too.
No, but she's a goat, bro.
Love Shelly.
Shelly and Fraser are the best everything in every way possible.
Love
from
Shelly.
Just she ambassador. You get me as a watching her, bro. She do the right thing as a woman. You get me as she got her youth same way.
Careful, what you gonna say right now, you know?
What do you mean?
Nah, make them bad me now and cancel me, you know? Boy, I know, because she do the right thing, so.
Yes,
just
bro.
Careful,
She do the right thing. Bro, she proud of her maternity and she proud of her femininity.
Yeah, love it.
Shelly and Fraser is a woman and she say, oh, my man. You get me? I say, that a who? You him. And I make him get female and Shelly and Fraser must still take care of my nigga same way. Even though I'm the best to ever do it, because we not count Flojo. Because Flojo full of jugs like pharmacy. She full of jugs like pharmacy. So we not count she, we don't care who wants to say what. So Shelly and Fraser are literally the greatest to ever do it. And she's so consistent. She do it and then she do it and then she continue do it and then she continue for a decade. She stop and go give her man a youth, which is the responsible and the right thing to the ladies. Make sure so they give the man in youth. First of all,
you keep all the man in youth, dog.
It's important.
I need me youth still, because what you know? It's the time to grow. It's the time to grow up on tree today,
Time
dog.
to grow up on tree.
So man, I need that one there.
Yeah. And then she come back, bro, and still continue to win after. She had a goat. And Shelly, I love
Shelly and Fraser
competition.
Price. Yeah, more wants Shelly and Fraser Price for the channel.
No need her.
Now get a woman wants and one on the channel, but like, I don't feel the conversation not go good. Warren Weir.
We're a photographer, bro.
Yeah, photographer.
So
Bro, Warren Weir. Wait, so Warren Weir boss, bro? Warren Weir was my athlete, dog. But me, no, I don't go to school, so you tell everybody about Warren Weir. But we enjoy watching Warren Weir run, dog.
Why?
Because the man, him did look awkward to me.
Yeah.
Him skinny, but the man had sharp race. And then I said, who do you just come out of nowhere and just make you get you 1, 2, 3 so?
Oh God, man.
They get me and say something, they kind of take on to Warren Weir. But they don't know how.
Nah, you saying, bro, beat it,
jump like a bad bit.
So them man they want it. But what do him want, I'm doing him love more power to him.
Yeah, and to the fit, bro, you get a good. Listen, you see, athletics, bro, and just sports. It's unforgiving, brother.
He never give you enough.
Me not think him give enough.
Warrior a photographer.
But who knows? Warrior give what? Probably a 7.
7 what? 7 which what year, Richie?
All of them are successful years, bro. Warrior just retired with you know. What do you not call it in like about 2017? No? Swear to God.
7 which one of the year?
Give about 7 years. 5 years.
How much international event in compete?
Probably like 3. Him got me know him got a championship, and me know him got Olympic. Me sure, right?
Maybe.
Now, I'm tell you, me rate Warrior. I want to see Warrior and ask. Because no, me don't feel like nobody
Are
knows.
you saying, bro, beat him there?
So they don't want to train.
So the man don't want it, bro.
I know him alone.
Beat him.
You want to get it like a bad picnic. Hello, Hara. I say that the rubber skis have been putting her boots and everything like that.
Fashion, yeah.
Boots boy could have hold it still.
Nah, I love that, but because, bro, you know what I rate about both.
And if anybody can say it, I him.
The best, not only the best to ever do it in a sport, I one of the best to ever do it in a sport. Both not depend that, bro. Both not depend the training and then something there, bro. But both have a vision.
Both the power.
Like both not love it.
Yeah, both in love with it.
Exactly. But both know say, yo, in order to get this, we need to do that.
When I lock in time, I lock in.
And you just like a STFU and just do it. And that's why I always have respect for both. So both could have, bro, both retire early, bro. Both put it down way early. Both check out long time. But the one thing I'm respect with him give it 12, him give it everything.
But mental fatigue is a hell of a thing in the dog. And that come when you love it. Because I don't say about the love is obviously love the sport. You can love the sport and love what it takes to win the sport. You get me? I say training is hard.
Like for example, LeBron and Kobe.
Them love
the
shit.
shit.
They love every part of basketball.
Yeah. You can know say LeBron James, I mean Usain Bolt while him did it, I work hard and I grind through the season, he would have much rather than a quad.
I know you can tell the
I
people
drink some drinks.
just watch them career after them
Yeah.
after them retire. Like probably a man like Asaf, you can say Asaf probably love training. Probably love training.
You look on Kobe even before him dead. Them
I
man
never
dead.
know fat man.
Fat. Bro, Kobe still go up on an NBA court and give 40 on a good night.
Give me 40.
Anybody 40 in them 40s after him retire. Now ask if one of them did them just get up and say, yo, you like to put on the Kobe
But
style.
Kobe really, you know.
You free man. You say that this and that.
I believe my mom for that. Me the right for it, you know what I'm saying?
Frightened,
I don't want to be frightened, man. You talk about man.
So they're right.
Me the right for it, man.
People know I decide that's where Stevie podcast can feel the bad.
Nah, we just have a reason now. We just show them like, listen, Ninja. Watch out people, are we that still, you know?
If you don't know any other people, then we'll just start boy like a
But what if other people want to get on the show, bro? What if people want to talk sports with? Like some athlete who can relate to that. Like, I want to talk about football with Lali. I want to talk about football with Idol. Because them man, they play ball. You know, feel you can pull them people there?
Yeah, man, we can get Lali.
And chat some ball game.
We can get Lali on the channel.
Chat some ball game, bro.
We like about what? Like about national team football,
Talk about football.
schoolboy football.
Talk about schoolboy football. Feel the experience.
Talk about them career too.
If you want to talk about them career, you know,
Talk about body water and then something there.
What?
I make you leave them with something.
You ever see 8,000 people want to place their life, boy?
Yes. And first of all, try that again and see if me not get people them a show up on this again. Because try that boy something again. I dare you.
Say again.
Mr. Smith, come in like you get married and start feel like you're big and bad. Try that again. You can't do that in front of people. You can't do this back in front of people.
So, hold on, you feel like load by something.
The last time when them things set,
you feel like you this by the way?
You have you?
You're
married for how long and I have no youth? What? This is a shame. And you come boy me.
Yes, I'm married.
If me ever married today, the baby born tomorrow. Not even breed tomorrow, and the baby born tomorrow. That me I make you know. Oh yeah, come on. Boy, this man.
Oh, you know something on
Grow a couple inches. Eh? You know how no youth. You can get youth.
Offensive. Great to you, brother. Well, I hope so. Dog. One about some things where they make me walk along the waterfront and stand up on the edge, you know.
You heard that we're not going to perpetrate them kind of talk in the power channel.
But what I do that? I suppose, you know what, left it that. That kind of get the sun.
People, if you still watch right now.
My father potent still.
People, if you still watch right now, like and subscribe.
This feel like a 2 over there, so not even 1.5.
Please, if you not watch this far, that means we're entertaining. Tell me in the comments if you want more of this kind of banter. Or if you don't want it, tell me in the comments to shut up.
I get it.
Mr. Still not going to listen to it. You get me, answer?
I may watch it, but I listen.
But yeah.
If you don't watch it, may I watch it.
It's good to be back.
It's good to be back. Anyways, people. So this are that sports TV. Before we get to that, kind of rusty people. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to this or that sports TV. And do one more thing for us, do
share the video to at least 10 people to ensure to get us 6 subscribers, because if each and every one of you guys can manage to do that, you know how many subscribers that gets by the end of the day, people.
But for now, this was this or that sports TV.
People know us a golf channel.
I don't know do it.
So you wouldn't fall from a golf channel.
Me that forward, but go for that kind of make me get out of pocket. I love going, but me not like
out of pocket.
Me gonna be somebody where me not really want the people them see me a bit.
Oh bad.
Especially like me like edit back the thing and me like see what me I do and something. No, bro. But me that forward still and come get some strength and
you know what the people them so bad, baby?
Eh?
What do you mean?
I didn't even just the people them like oh me dog, if me I record the thing dog, I need to be good at it. Okay, good, brother.
Bro, I see one of my favorite things to watch are some like high handicap golfers. You know part channel from Mr. Beast?
No. But them some they want to know how much if you know I win, you know I win.
People.
I know Mr. Beast, enough love.
Subscribe, please.
You can sit down there also watch be anime in here brief, brother. Anyways, God, people, this is that sports TV. We out.